Today, we're cutting through the noise around AI to deliver a clear, executive-level brief on Manus AI. We'll move beyond the hype and provide a comprehensive evaluation of this autonomous AI agent platform. This isn't just another tech review. It's a strategic assessment designed to inform your decisions. We'll explore its capabilities, limitations, and ultimately, its true value proposition for your organization. So, let's dive into what makes Manus AI a significant player in the evolving AI landscape. Manus AI represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with artificial intelligence, moving from mere conversation to genuine execution. Unlike traditional chatbots that require constant guidance, Manus operates autonomously, planning and delivering complete work products. It functions as a true digital employee, capable of traversing the web and achieving concrete outcomes within a sandboxed virtual environment. This capability has driven rapid market validation, with Manus reaching $100 million in annualized revenue and attracting over 2 million waitlist signups, culminating in its acquisition by Meta for an estimated $2 to $3 billion. This acquisition underscores the strategic importance of autonomous agents, and it sets the stage for understanding the underlying architecture that enables this revolution. Building on that revolutionary shift, the December 2025 release of Manus 1.6 introduced a tiered intelligence system designed to handle varying task complexities. Manus 1.6 Max, our flagship agent, boasts significantly higher user satisfaction due to its advanced planning architecture for complex, multi-step workflows. We also have Manus 1.6 Standard, a balanced workhorse, and Manus 1.6 Lite, a faster, lightweight model ideal for quick ideation and simple tasks. A key innovation is wide research, which orchestrates over 50 subagents simultaneously for comprehensive research synthesis. These architectural advancements, including new capabilities like mobile app development and visual asset creation, demonstrate a sophisticated approach to AI execution. But how do these capabilities translate into tangible business value? Let's explore the high-value use cases where Manus truly excels. So, where does this advanced architecture deliver the most impact? We've identified research, synthesis, and batch content creation as the areas with the highest success rates for Manus. Tier 1, research and synthesis, consistently provides the highest value, enabling rapid competitor analysis, contact list compilation, and financial insights in minutes. Moving to Tier 2, content and deliverables, Manus proves highly effective for generating travel itineraries, slide decks, and SEO-optimized blog content. While Tier 3 development shows variable success, it still offers significant potential for building responsive websites and mobile apps. These use cases highlight Manus's ability to automate and accelerate critical business functions. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that even with these impressive capabilities, Manus faces significant challenges that can undermine adoption. Let's examine those critical pain points. Despite the impressive capabilities we've just discussed, Manus faces significant trust-eroding friction that undermines broader adoption. The primary issue is credit unpredictability. Users describe it as gambling because there are no cost estimates before task execution, leading to wildly varying credit consumption for similar tasks. This unpredictability is compounded by reliability failures, where projects break mid-task with no recovery, or the sandbox environment freezes, causing complete project loss. We've also seen the 90% trap, where projects stall just before completion due to dependency issues. Finally, the support crisis is a major concern, with a Trustpilot rating of 1.6 out of 5 stars and reports of users waiting days for responses. These pain points are critical for decision makers to understand, as they directly impact the return on investment and user experience. Now, let's delve deeper into a specific area where this promise versus reality gap becomes particularly evident: the vibe coding phenomenon. While Manus promises to democratize software development, the reality for non-technical users is often frustrating. This slide unpacks the vibe coding phenomenon, where the promise of effortless creation clashes with the platform's current limitations. We've seen how critical pain points undermine trust. Here, we see how they manifest in development. Manus excels at initial scaffolding and UI, reducing the time to hello world significantly. but it struggles with complex logic, integration changes, and maintaining code. Users report a 90% trap, where projects stall just before completion due to dependency issues or hallucinated APIs. This leads to costly regression loops, where fixing one bug breaks another. Ultimately, Manus is a powerful code generator, but a poor code maintainer. This directly impacts the value proposition, especially when we consider the cost structure. Understanding the pricing model is crucial for assessing Manus's true value, especially given the vibe coding challenges we just discussed. The credit-based system creates a dichotomy. It's highly efficient for predictable, research-heavy tasks, but it punishes unpredictable workloads. The Pro plan, at $20 a month, offers 4,000 credits, and the Team plan provides 4,000 credits per seat. Simple research might cost 50 to 150 credits, while a complex website generation could be 300 to 600. Our ROI analysis shows that if Manus saves you just 2 hours a month, the Pro plan pays for itself. A solo founder doing 5 competitor reports sees a high ROI, but a team using it for only 2 occasional tasks will find the ROI marginal. This unpredictability, coupled with the reliability issues, makes cost management a significant concern. So, how does this compare to other tools in the market? Manus occupies a unique space in the AI landscape, sitting between conversational AI and more hands-on agent frameworks. This slide clarifies where Manus stands against its competitors. Tools like ChatGPT or Claude are better for simple Q&A, while Cursor and Windsurf are preferred by developers for local IDE integration. Manus's competitive edge lies in its all-in-one platform, covering research, content, code, and design. It's also significantly cheaper than alternatives like OpenAI Deep Research, costing around $2 per task versus $20. The GAIA benchmark shows Manus at 86.5% effectiveness, outperforming competitors at 65%. The Meta acquisition, valued at $2 to $3 billion, validates the AI agent category and provides Manus with access to Llama models and Meta's infrastructure. This acquisition will likely lead to integration with Meta's business tools, but we should expect a 6 to 12-month period of strategic ambiguity. This competitive positioning helps us define who Manus is truly for. Given the unique capabilities and challenges we've discussed, it's clear Manus isn't for everyone. This slide helps us identify who will genuinely benefit from a subscription and who should probably avoid it. Ideal users include solo founders needing rapid research and MVP prototyping, freelancers generating content at scale, and non-technical idea people looking to manifest software through natural language. These users are typically comfortable with experimentation and can accept the occasional failure. Conversely, Manus is a poor fit for users requiring production-grade reliability, predictable costs, or responsive customer support. Teams with compliance requirements or developers who prefer local IDE control will also find it lacking. The critical question is whether you're experimenting and building MVPs where failures are acceptable, or if you need production-grade reliability. This distinction is key to setting appropriate expectations and avoiding frustration. Now that we've identified who Manus is best suited for, let's discuss how to maximize its value and avoid common pitfalls. Strategic prompt engineering isn't just about getting better results. It's about drastically reducing your credit consumption. The TCAVA framework provides a structured approach to defining your tasks, ensuring Manus understands your intent and expected output. This clarity can reduce credit usage by 5 to 10 times, making your investment far more efficient. Remember, breaking down complex projects into smaller, reviewable phases also prevents wasted credits and allows for course correction. This disciplined approach ensures you're not just using Manus, but truly leveraging its capabilities effectively. Building on those best practices, here are our concrete recommendations for anyone considering a Manus subscription. Before committing, thoroughly test the free plan with low-stakes tasks to validate its utility for your specific needs. Monitor credit consumption closely and consider using a virtual card to manage potential overspending, as costs can be unpredictable. If you do subscribe, master the distinction between chat mode and agent mode to optimize credit usage. Always apply the TCAVA framework, set personal credit limits per task, and independently verify all outputs. Manus is a powerful accelerator for research and prototyping, but it's not a production-ready autonomous employee. Setting these expectations up front is crucial for a positive experience. With these insights, we can now move to our final verdict. In summary, Manus validates the autonomous AI agent category, demonstrating a genuine capability for execution beyond mere conversation. Its research and synthesis workflows offer significant productivity gains, and its wide research parallelization is truly industry-leading. The Meta acquisition further solidifies its long-term viability. However, the platform still faces critical challenges, particularly with credit unpredictability, non-existent customer support, and reliability failures that erode trust. Complex development tasks often fall into the 90% trap, and billing practices need significant improvement. The bottom line is this: for research-heavy, batch-style tasks where the cost of failure is low, Manus delivers genuine value. But for production workloads demanding predictable costs and responsive support, it's best to wait for the platform to mature. The Meta acquisition will likely bring much-needed resources, but expect a period of integration uncertainty. Early adopters who master the platform now will be well-positioned as these issues are resolved.